TOEFL test fees and registration. Everything you need to know. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of TOEFL, focusing specifically on TOEFL test fees and registration. If you're planning on taking the TOEFL soon or are simply curious about the process, you're in the right place. Let's begin. TOEFL, which stands for Test of English as a Foreign Language, is a standardized test that evaluates the English language proficiency of non-native speakers who wish to enroll in English-speaking universities. It's recognized worldwide and is particularly popular in North America. Taking the TOEFL isn't free, so it's crucial to understand the associated costs. 1. Test fee. The basic fee to take the TOEFL IBT, internet-based test, varies from country to country, typically ranging from $160 to $300. 2. Late registration fee. If you miss the regular registration deadline, you might need to pay an additional charge. This is usually around $40. 3. Rescheduling fee. Life is unpredictable. If you have to reschedule your test date, expect to pay a fee, often around $60. 4. Reinstatement of canceled scores. If you cancel your scores but later decide you want them back, there's a fee for that, too, commonly $20. Remember, always check the official TOEFL website for the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding fees, as they can change over time. The TOEFL registration process is fairly straightforward. 1. Create an ETS account. ETS is the organization that administers the TOEFL. Start by creating a profile on their official website. 2. Find a test center. TOEFL is offered in numerous locations worldwide. Search for a test center near you. 3. Choose a test date. There are multiple test dates throughout the year, so pick one that suits your schedule. 4. Pay the test fee. After selecting a date and location, you'll be prompted to pay the fee. Remember, this amount might vary based on your location. Early bird gets the worm. Register early to ensure you get your preferred test date and location. Double check. Ensure that the name you register with matches the name on your identification. Discrepancies can lead to complications on test day. Keep a confirmation. Once you've registered, you'll receive a confirmation. It's wise to print this out and keep it safe. It contains important details you might need later. And there we have it. Now you're well equipped with knowledge about TOEFL test fees and registration. Remember, preparation is the key. Not just for the test, but for the process leading up to it. We hope this video proves valuable in your TOEFL journey. Best of luck, and happy studying!